Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to understand how devices like your phone or laptop automatically receive an IP address when they connect to Wi-Fi. This process is handled by a protocol called DHCP, which stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. In this video we will learn what DHCP is, why it is important, and how it works step by step. So what is DHCP? DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So as the name suggests, it is a network protocol that automatically assigns IP addresses to devices connected to a network. Whenever you connect your phone, laptop, or tablet to a Wi-Fi network, the router automatically gives your device an IP address using DHCP. This allows your device to communicate with the other devices and access the internet. So how the DHCP works? DHCP works through a four-step process called the DORA process, the DORA process. The DORA stands for Discover, Offer, Request, and Acknowledge. These steps allow a device to communicate with the DHCP server, usually the router, to obtain an IP address automatically. This process happens within milliseconds whenever a device connects to a network. As you can see in the diagram, the first step is DHCP Discover. When a device connects to a network, it sends a broadcast message asking if any DHCP server is available. The message basically says, "I need an IP address and network configuration." This request is sent across the network until it reaches the DHCP server. The second step is DHCP Offer. The DHCP server receives the Discover message and selects an available IP address from its pool. It then sends an offer back to the device with network configuration details such as IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server. This is the server offering the device a network identity. Then there is DHCP Request. It is the third step. After receiving the offer, the device responds by requesting the offered IP address. This message tells the DHCP server that the device accepts the offered network configuration. At this stage, the device is asking permission to officially use that IP address. Next is the DHCP acknowledgement, and this is the final step. The DHCP server confirms the request and sends an acknowledgement message. This message finalizes the IP assignment, allowing the device to start communicating on the network. After this step, the device can access the internet and interact with other devices. So, why do we need DHCP? On every device on a network, it must have a unique IP address. Without DHCP, users would have to manually configure the network settings like IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server. This would cause complications and could easily cause errors or duplicate IP addresses. DHCP solves this problem by automatically assigning and managing IP addresses for all devices on the network. For example, even on your mobile phones, you have advanced settings and IP settings that show whether you have to connect to DHCP or static. So by default, it's connected to DHCP. To conclude, DHCP is an essential networking protocol that automatically assigns IP addresses to devices. It simplifies network management and allows devices to connect quickly and efficiently. The entire process works through the four simple steps: DORA, or the Discover, Offer, Request, and Acknowledgement. Without DHCP, connecting devices to a network would be much more complicated. Thank you for watching this video. In further videos, we are going to see how to configure DHCP on our own router. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more networking and cybersecurity content.